Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is CrissyBEA, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my video. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing a protein shake from either Inno Supps, Inno Supps. I think that's how you say it. I don't know how you pronounce the word, but yeah. But anyways, they sent me a protein shake for me to review, so I'm gonna be reviewing this for you guys today, especially if you're a vegan and you're looking for a protein shake. So if you're someone that's looking for that, make sure you carry on watching. Basically, what do we know about this? So it's this is a clean vegan protein, natural sweetened protein shakes. Basically, it is, this one that they sent me is birthday cake flavor. I think they do have other flavors. Clean vegan protein is the ideal plant-based muscle building and recovery supplement. All of the protein in our formula come from pea protein isolate, the most bioavailable and superior form of plant-based protein. Okay, so this is more of a plant-based protein, of course, because it is a vegan one. Each serving contains a 25 gram of non-GMO vegan protein, 4 grams of BCAA, and is easily mixed and easily digested. We are known worldwide for having some of the best flavors on the market and for being produced at the highest quality standard and never using any artificial sweeteners, fillers or color in any of our products. Biohack your recovery and optimize your performance by enjoying 1 to 2 servings of clean vegan protein daily. It is 100% plant-based protein with antioxidants and greens and digestive enzymes. So this is really good because it is gluten-free. It makes you feel fuller longer. It's got 0 GMOs. Also, it is cruelty-free. So you can use this in many ways. You can just have it with 1 scoop, and you can have it with 6 to 8 ounces of water or your preferred beverage. You can also blend it into your favorite smoothie, or you can add it to your favorite bacon recipe. So if you're someone that's looking for a protein shake and you're a vegan, or you want a plant-based protein powder shake, this is one to try. I have made myself some here so that I can try it out for you, especially because it says birthday cake, so I thought, why not try it out? But this is actually quite good that they sent me, because I'm actually planning to go back to the gym soon. I say this more once I start working. I'm planning to go back to the gym, and this will be good for me to take when I just need something to just keep me going for the day and everything like that. Tomorrow it just smells like a vanilla protein shake that I had from, I think, Protein World. I can't remember. Oh, okay. Oh, that's sweet. I wasn't expecting it to be that sweet, but it's nice. It's nice. It's definitely got that protein shake taste. If you know what that tastes like, yeah, it's got that protein shake taste. I don't know if I can taste like the birthday cake flavor. It kind of tastes more like a vanilla cake flavor. But the thing is, I can't really test this out like to see if it works or not, because I'm not working out. But if you are looking for something that's plant-based and everything, maybe give this one a try and see how you get on. The flavor is nice. This one, the birthday cake, is nice. Yeah, it's definitely nice. You can put it in a smoothie, you can put it in baked goods. But yeah, I definitely say give this a try if you are a vegan and you are looking for a protein for your workout and everything. Definitely give this one a try. You get a scooper inside, you get quite a lot inside as well. You get about 818 grams of protein, but it gives you like 25 servings. So yeah, and I'll probably put the price of how much it costs on the screen and everything. So far so good. I'm liking it. I feel like the more I'm drinking it, the more I like it. So maybe it's that type of like product where you know, the more you have something, you like it a bit more. Yeah, I definitely recommend checking them out. They've got other products, of course. especially if you're someone that likes to work out. They've got other products on their website, which will also be linked down below. That is pretty much for the review. It is quite a short, simple review, just because, you know, is it a protein shake? The only way I'm gonna know if it works is if I work out, and I'm not working out at the moment. I will be working out soon, basically. But yeah, that is pretty much it for the review. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you are notified every single time I post, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye!